What's happening, kids? Yeah? Okay, let's get started here. Anyway, we're gonna do something with that. Stay tuned. Yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my parts out, or get the parts out, including this, and bring it back around when we're ready, and we're gonna talk about what we're gonna do. Just have to be patient for a second. See you in a minute. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get this front end mocked up. Now, I've got my axle, which you guys, it's 4-inch drop, super bell, that's backwards. Super bell goes out so everybody can see it. Also, hold on a second. Don't let me take things. That's heavy. We got our spring too. Our spring is a monolith. Look at that thing. Could break your neck. So we're gonna be setting that up on there. And then got our hairpins. Now these actually to the frame, you know, like that, right? And then Pete and Jake sent us hairpin kit. We're gonna need that. Stick around. Okay. What I'm gonna show you now is just how to put together a hairpin. I've got one that I already did. It's not rocket surgery. Okay. You wanna see? Okay. First thing you do is you just come over here to the workbench, toolbox area, and you identify your hairpin. Oh, here you are. Hairpin. All right, now, a little bit before, like these come empty with these guys, right? So, they fit in there, but it's pretty snug. So I'm gonna show you a little something I came up with on the fly. Press it in there. Just get it nice and flat. Okay. Like that. Then you get your jam nut out of here. The jam nut. Put the jam nut on here. And just get it, you know, up there a ways, because you're going to be spinning this on the end of the hairpin. Now this kit has everything with it that you're going to need, except for a master car builder. I was looking in the box, I didn't find one. What? Yeah, I know. No, that's definitely not me, is it? You guys could at least pretend it a little. But anyway, now we're not worried about what these are doing yet. It's on there. Then we take these guys, this end. You open up this one, same thing, jam nut, find it. Stick it on here. Spinny, okay. Now something that you may want to do, that I did, stick something in here, just spin it around. Yeah. How's your guys' day? Why is that so short? Hey, how's it going? Hey! Now you guys can see my whole giant head. And then you just, you know, like that, actually. And then repeat, rinse, and a repeat. Yep, jam nut. First you gotta make a bunch of noise. Use the jam nut party. It's not a jam nut. Stop messing around. Where'd it go? Jeremy, we talked, man. I give you a lot of talk. I play you up on here a lot. I'll hide stuff. Once again, now we are going to be painting these, whatever color I decide to paint them. There's one color that they will not be. Red. They will not be red, I guarantee it. Simple as that. Put together a hairpin. Foreman's hovering. Today is our anniversary. 36 years. I think that's right. 36. It feels like 47. But it's not. It's less than that. It's been so great that you just lose track of time. She's gonna throw something at me.
I was looking.
I cleaned up for this reason. She's right there. Anyway, no, it's 16 years today. So how am I spending it? With my car. Actually, we went to lunch today. Not that you guys cared. You're like, shut up, old man, build this stupid car. It's taking you forever. All right, anyway. So you got this guy, it's called the Batwing. It doesn't, I know it doesn't, but it goes right here on this, just watch, like this. You shouldn't have to hit it with a hammer like this one. I did, but my hammer was also my pry bar, utility knife, and back scratcher. Anyway, that's what happened. It's real. Then you take your parts from Pete and Jake. This is the spring perch, and then the shock mount, right? Then you yeah, get it. No, this is heavy. That goes through there. That's through there. Wait a minute. Through there. And then this goes on here. There we go, like that. And we're just going to put this on a little. Maybe I can't get it on at all. Bolt on loose lip and don't let go. I said I wasn't going to do under pressure again. Not that one. I don't want to hear it. It was fun. It's whatever. Oh, what am I doing that for? Where are we on that? Then you just kind of do the same thing on the other side. By kind of, I mean like exactly. Yeah, we mean business. No, what's going on here? I hit it with the hammer too hard, baby. Help me, Tom Cruise. There we go. Okay. Almost needed Tom Cruise. Why? I don't know. Then you just thread it on loosely. Again. Then you take your spring shackles from Pete and Jake's. This is a super belt setup. Now these do have lock nuts on them, or nylocks. I'm sorry, not lock nuts right yet, but they will be. And then you just take this off and you give it a little slippity-doo down, right? Like that. Put it in there. Now, one nice thing is we have a drop axle on Clyde, so we can actually go take a look, make sure we're doing this halfway correct. Not that Clyde's correct, but hey, we're doing it rightish. If you guys didn't see, well, I'm sorry. Clyde's, you know, it's terrible. And then, well, that's a tight squeeze. So what you can do is knock your axle off on the floor when you try to open a drawer. Don't do that, it's bad. My mom said so. And then you just kind of find some socketry that fits on there. Maybe just give it a little love tap. And we'll just give it a little smooch. Like that. Little smooch. Oh, like that. We'll just we just have to do this on here, right? Right. I'm just so excited. Then we do the same over here. This is great. I'm actually really excited. This actually, I'm very excited about it. I really do. I'm really enjoying what I'm doing here. That one fit in nicely. This side was a little bit of a pain. This side wasn't. This side was a pain. This side wasn't. So look, it's evening out. It's not like Clyde at all. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, my 4-inch drop axle, and I'm going to bring it around to the front of the car, and I'll meet you over there. 3-4 days, no, I'm kidding. Anyway, I was just kidding, picking on the foreman because she was in here about our anniversary. It's been great. 16 years, and she really does take care of me, puts up with all this hot rod bull jive, and she's just a wonderful woman. Might have to give her a little smoochy poo. What I would suggest is if you're going to give your new parts a smoochy poo, maybe do the, dead blow. And maybe try to put them on at the same time. Same way, same side, everything's the same. Yeah, let's, it's just that easy. I'll bring you back a second after I send the struggle bus home. Okay, got the struggle bus taken care of. 1 second here, let me show you. See? It's just on there. Everything's just kind of finger tight. It's not by any means permanent at all, but it's on there. Next step, right there. Let's do it. With this, I forgot to film. I just moved the jack stands out of the way, and then I just put it down. I was gonna use the jack, but I thought, hey, let's just work smarter, not harder. Drop the camera on the floor. So, easy enough. You're gonna just take, just like we did before, put it in there, right? Except for it's not hanging in the breeze now. Just, it centers itself up. Pretty good. Now these I will probably snug up more. And so 3/4. Here, let me show you. So we got going. That's it. I'll bring it back in when it's mocked up and on the jack stands. See you in a second. All right, kids, we got it on there. Now everything is just loose. There are some shims that I need to put right here for in there to hold it. I just didn't do that. Why would I? No. Actually, I was hoping I didn't have to. But that's fine. They're just over there or up there. Not a big deal. But this is going to give me an idea of what we're going to be looking at And then we need to get the kingpins and all that stuff on, get the hairpins on. We're gonna go that direction with it. But for now, I mean, I think this is all pretty good. Let me show you what we did. Mind you, everything is just mocked up. Everything is just really loose. But that's what we got. I think it looks pretty good. Everything was very heavy. But that's fine, right? There's my transmission. Did I tell you we're doing a power glide? Yeah. I mean, look, man, we got something happening. And then these will turn. Those will actually go on the inside because they need to, right? The shock mounts, because shocks don't go out there, but that's for another day, another problem. So there's that. We're getting into the boxes. Maybe we'll start on some rust repair next. Kids, I hope you enjoyed that. It was actually pretty heavy. It was actually a good time. I was gonna have help, but she had tummy ache. And anyway, it's coming along. Things are happening. Stuff, right? Stay tuned. Hope you've been enjoying this little series. And I hope you'll keep tuning in, because that's, you know, we got a lot of work, and we're underway. It's official, we're underway. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, kids, I hope you have a nice evening or daytime or whenever you're watching this, or if you're even watching it. If you're not watching it, why am I talking? Anyway, for real this time. Hope you enjoy what's going on with Project Creepy. We got to get working on that. I wanted something to see at the end of the day here. So, don't forget to, and whatever, keep on wrenching.